the requirements of the elementary curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education and is therefore awarded with this certificate, signed in Bayongbong, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines on the 15th day of April 2025. Signed, Alexander O. Trinidad, Principal 1. Signed, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Orlando E. Manuel, Seso 5. The graduates of Grade 6 Santan. Advisor, Ma'am Yasmin C. Trinidad. Benito